Along with the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro will be the perfect choice for those who are looking to own a mid-range phone with high battery capacity, luxurious design and good imaging capabilities. Today, owning a smartphone is essential for each person, helping users to be able to solve tasks that previously could only be done on laptops, opening up an modern and interesting experience. Much more convenient. This Xiaomi phone has a monolithic design with a 3D curved glass back which gives Redmi Note 9 Pro a luxurious and eye-catching appearance with soft and delicate lines, not a rough feel when held. Redmi Note 9 Pro is equipped with an edge-to-edge MOL screen with dimensions up to 6.67 inches ultra-wide with an aspect ratio of 20:9. Not only that, the screen is equipped with IPS LCD panel and Full HD Plus resolution with more than 16 million pixels, giving you not only an open display space but also extremely sharp and bright colors, lively. The unique feature of the Redmi Note 9 Pro is that the rear camera system is located on the top of the back of the phone with a resolution of 48MP, 8MP for wide-angle photography, 2MP for depth measurement and 2MP for close-ups. With this equipment, the phone is fully capable to take pictures professionally, giving you extremely excellent photos, and the ability to record 4K quality movies. The front camera of Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro has a resolution of 16MP, helping you take extremely cute selfies with good light and color and video call images displayed clear, fresh, making you always comfortable in video calls with my friends. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro is equipped with a Snapdragon 720G processor that provides extremely powerful processing power and good altitude and stability, helping your requests and tasks are answered and processed quickly. Limit the status of your computer due to failure to handle your requests. With 6GB RAM and 64GB internal memory and 512GB memory card support, Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro is fully capable of meeting the needs of storing large amounts of your photos, videos and can download games. Heavy to experience. With a high storage capacity, the Xiaomi Note 9 Pro will help you keep all the memories you want to store with your images, without having to consider deleting when you want to take more new photos. Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro has a huge battery capacity of 5020 mAh, giving you up to 20.5 days of standby time and 26 hours of continuous video playback and up to 11 hours of PUBG playing time. In addition, Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro is capable of 30 watts fast charging, can fully charge the battery in just 30 minutes. USB Type-C charging port makes it easy to plug in and replace your charger easily when there's a problem.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.